Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck. Coming in this nice tan color, and this vehicle is powered by a 4.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have side bed steps, we have a tow hitch, the nice Chevy logo, with a nice canopy that matches the body color, mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. And moving to the front, we do have that nice recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. You got quite a bit of door space in the back. You got some gray accents, vinyl flooring, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage. 6 additional seat and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front, power door mirrors, you got your lights, and a little bit of storage all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 100,006 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, nice Chevy logo with cruise control. You got your hazards just right there, and your tow and haul mode and speeds. And look in here, you got your digital speedometer, and you can turn it just from here. Let me just update it. You got your trip, fuel range, fuel economy, tire pressure, remaining oil life, transmission, engine hours, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we got tons of storage. You got cup holders, nice little phone slot with storage underneath. You even get your 6 additional seat with traction and your lights. You got storage above and below. Climate controls. You got some vents right here as well. Got your radio, menu. You got your navigation, phone, settings, and all that fun stuff. We do have our door lights, OnStar. We can have our radio. You got your media controls, such as your all that fun stuff, Bluetooth, and all that jazz. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA94188A, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.